So this individual will be coming from one environmental situation into another. So we have to make sure we take into account those environmental factors and make sure that this athlete is safe. In doing so, there will need to be some precautious steps that they take before they enter this environment and begin to exercise, work out, or compete so that they are safe during this time. The following environment will be 95 degrees with 85% humidity, which is very hot and very humid. And the first thing that we want to make sure that we are able to control and mitigate will be the dehydration effect and making sure that the athlete does not lose too many fluids and does not become dehydrated. Dehydration of anything greater than or equal to 2% of body mass can negatively affect performance, right? So we all know that we are going to sweat and lose fluids during the exercise, but anything greater than that range will begin to be a negative impact on the athlete during and after that exercise. So we want to make sure we mitigate that. In doing so, we're going to recommend that they drink more water than they normally are used to in their current environment because the excessive heat loss is going to be so much greater than what they're used to. So if they drink the normal amount that they would normally drink, they're going to lose way more and then become dehydrated and negatively affect their performance and possibly their health. So to do this, we can simply determine sweat rate by measuring body weight before and after the exercise, and then that can help us provide some type of guide for fluid replacement, as that equation is going to be different in this environment as it was in the other environment. We will pay attention to the athlete's mannerisms, how they look and how they feel during exercise, and also pay attention to the urine and how that is responding to the hydration efforts that we are putting forth as they are continuing to train in this new environment. The next thing that we'll be looking to tackle specifically that can lead to other things are heat cramps. Most athletes are prone to cramp more when they are in higher heat, higher humid environments. Although the cause of cramps can be, the reasons can be many different things. Specifically, we'll make sure that they are hydrated and that their electrolyte balance is appropriate because water loss and significant sweat loss, right, can be contributing factors to like how bad the cramps are. So to combat that, we can add in some additional stretching, some dietary sodium chloride as supplementation, an IV, which is a more of an extreme solution, but those things can provide immediate relief if the cramps come out of nowhere or if they are very severe. So as far as the workout programming, we would keep the programming the same. It would be the efforts before and after the workout that we would look to change.